Hello guys, today we're gonna make some potato Korean noodles but without the shape. We're gonna take 3 potatoes and put them in water. Clean them all up. Look how dirty the potatoes were. Drain the water and then dry them all up. Peel one, peel two and then peel the third. Cut all in rough sizes and then add it to another container which we're gonna boil it with water and add soya sauce. You can cut the potatoes evenly as so, but we are trying to just do it and time pass. So get them all to a side and then fill water, put them inside in slow motion. Add a pinch of salt and then put it on the gas stove for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's ready the seasonings. Take some peri peri masala and Maggi masala, dark soya sauce, green chili sauce, garam masala, red ketchup, salt, pepper, red pepper and black pepper. While the potatoes boil and then mush them up, it should be like a dough. Add cornstarch or corn flour. You can also add potato starch if there. Make taboki size rice cakes and the seasoning we made already. Put them in the rice cakes. The shape broke, but it was so good. Bye bye.